What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Xandra and I am basically the creator of Naturally Xandra. So today's video is a special video, and I'm super excited for this because it was made and it was black owned, guys, and it was by Rihanna, her skincare line Fenty Skin. Now not only do I have Fenty Skin, but I got the newest product that everybody's been raving about on Instagram. So if you're ready for that thorough first impressions of these products, then stay tuned for the tea. Stay tuned for the tea, guys. It's piping hot. Okay, guys, so we are in the start of the video, the start of the show, and I just wanted to say I absolutely love the fact that Rihanna is starting to branch off into beauty more. And you know, she started with her makeup, she killed it. I still haven't tried it, by the way. I know, don't shame me, but girl, your girl was in college and working on a tight budget. But I'm still working on a tight budget, but but I was so excited when I seen her launch that, and now I'm even more happy for her and excited that she launched her own skincare line. And not only that, the promo was lit. She launched a virtual release party. Like, who you know launch a virtual party? Come on now. But I'm gonna get straight into the video, and I'm gonna tackle these products, my first impressions, by just pulling it out, showing you guys, and I'm gonna tell you my thoughts so far. But first, I'm gonna get into the first product, which is the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser Remove It All Cleanser, and this is in 4.9 fluid ounces. This is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. A very cute container. It has this nozzle at the bottom. I love this nozzle at the bottom. It has a screw where you can just screw it and then squirt it to your hand like this. I absolutely love that part about this container. Is 4 products in this collection. This is 1 out of the 4. 2 of these products do that, and then the other one has like a pump type situation. I'll show you guys in a second. But as far as the cleanser, it says that it just says a hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. So she keep it simple and sweet, guys. She say exactly what it is, what is meant to do, and that's that. The smell smells good to me. It smells like Rihanna. It smells like something that she would create. It smells good. It's not overly fragrant. It's very slight. I actually love it in the morning when I use it. Like, I know some people complain about the fragrance part of the products, but this is actually a product that I don't care about the fragrance. It's one of these that I do care about it, but we're gonna get into that soon, so stick around. But as far as this cleanser, I don't really have a problem with it. So first impressions, the consistency is very, very good. I'm not gonna waste any product because that's how good it is. It's nice and creamy. It has like an orange consistency. I'm gonna play like a snippet of the texture just so you guys know. But basically it's creamy. It foams very, very well. Very, very well. A little goes a long way. You don't need a lot with this at all. You just need to wet your face and then rub it in between your hands. Like, you know, apply the cleanser in your hands, rub a little water in there, not too much. Start to let it foam up in your hand, and then if you notice there's not a lot of foam, you need a slight bit more water. Put some more foam, rub it in circular motions, make sure you get everything, and then boom, bam, shabam. So that's the cleanser. As far as the, this one is really good, guys. This one next is the Fenty Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. And this basically says that it instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. And I absolutely agree to that. This is what the bottle looks like. Has a very pretty bottle. Very pretty bottle. And I really don't want to waste any product, but I'm going to just show you how this looks. So, if you look closer, this product wasn't going anywhere until I moved it around in my hand. So this is how it looks on my hand. So it literally melts into your skin. Like, it's so smooth. Like, I definitely noticed my pores have minimized. Like, when I first used this, I noticed like the power of this. Like, my pores were gone, literally, like gone. I was like, what kind of stuff you put in here, Rihanna? What you put in here? You like Erykah Badu, you know, she be saying certain things. Did you put some special sorcery or witch hazel or something? You put something in this product. But I do pay attention to ingredients in skincare now because I had a disaster with a brand. Let me know if you want the tea on that brand. Comment that down below if you want the tea on what brand that was, because I ain't trying to ruin nobody's business, but I'm just trying to, you know, be upfront about my experiences that I have, so you guys don't have to deal with the low self-esteem that I had to deal with when I had that breakout. But I didn't have to worry about with this product or this collection. So I'm happy about that. But I love the consistency of this product. I love that it's a screw on, close type of situation. So you unscrew by twisting it, you pour it in your hand, and then you snap it back in place. Absolutely love that touch. This is in 5 fluid ounces. So that's the toner. And then the last one before the new release is the Fenty Skin Moisturizer. So this is the Fenty Skin Moisturizer. Has this little cute lilac container like all of the products. So she kept the theme consistent. And this is the cool part. So you see this nozzle right here? You screw it and it pops up, and then you pump it. So when I first opened the packaging, it came separately. Like, this tube concoction was separate from the actual pump, which means it's refillable. You can buy the replacements, I'm assuming, on their website. So I thought that was really environment friendly. Now, as far as this moisturizer, it's a little lighter than the cleanser in color. The consistency is very similar, and I actually don't like the smell. Believe it or not, I don't like the smell. I think this is the most overpowering scent, and it's not because of Fenty. I think it's because of the sunscreen, because the primary active ingredients are related to sunscreen properties. So that's exactly why it smells like that. And I don't like the smell at all. Like, ugh, I don't like the smell at all. But it's not like where I wouldn't buy this again, if that makes sense. So I would still buy it because the other products kind of make up for that smell. So that moisturizer, I feel it does a good job at moisturizing your skin, but I feel like with my oily skin, it doesn't cause extra oil production. It just doesn't do as good as I would hope of minimizing that production. But I think it's supposed to, and I don't notice that with this. Mostly probably because I use this next product afterwards, or like I was using both of the moisturizer and this product on top of it. So I use the moisturizer and the Instant Reset Gel Cream together, which is problematic for my oily skin. If you do use these two, like if you buy this, because this is used at night, after you cleanse your face, apply your toner, follow up with this versus the moisturizer. Don't follow up with the moisturizer and the gel cream, because you will be overly oily and shiny. Just telling you, just forewarning you. But the next product is the newer release, which caused me to buy the whole freaking collection, guys. And not because I didn't think the other products were good, but it's just because it gave me another reason to buy and support Rihanna. I mean, I already told you guys I haven't even tried Fenty Beauty, so I had to make up for it in some way. And I will be purchasing Fenty Beauty at some point. But this is the Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream, as I mentioned earlier. And this is really, really cool. So I'm going to show you guys a cool feature about this. So you see these two flaps, right? It's a silver flap here. You pop it open, and it has this white type of spoon. You click it, you grab it, and it's a scooper for the cream. So you pop that back down, and then you screw it, and it reveals the cream. I thought that was a cool feature. I actually like putting this together, actually. But let me put this back in place, because I don't, you ever know how you lose tools and stuff? That's the same with this. So I kind of treat this in a delicate manner. But this product, a lot of benefits of this is that it's basically supposed to add to the benefit of evening out your skin tone, giving you kind of like that extra boost glowiness. I don't know if you guys like that, but for me, even though I have oily skin, I do like that. I like to feel glowy, but not oily. So like for me, when I wear makeup, like right now, I'm starting to like shine crazy. I'm starting to shine and I'm not liking it. And so I like things that are going to help keep that at bay. It's kind of hard to keep that at bay when you have makeup. Those are my first impressions of the Fenty Skin full collection. Your girl got the inside scoop for you guys. First impressions. Let me know. Get this video to 20 likes if you want a full review. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.